Hello everyone. Now let me show you the edge sealing process of our locker board. Firstly, place the board into the automatic edge banding machine. For edge banding on one-side edge banding, this is the effect of sealing one side of the edge. The machine will perform precise operations on the board according to the preset program. The machine will perform precise operations on the board according to the preset program. Ensure that every board can achieve a perfect edge sealing effect. Next, place the edge sealed board onto the 6-sided drill. Through the drilling and slotting function of a 6-sided drill, make various required slots and holes on the board. To meet the subsequent installation requirements, the entire processing process is efficient and precise. Ensure the quality and aesthetics of the locker. If you have customization needs, please feel free to contact us.